My name is John Wu. I'm a teaching artist. I'm so excited today to host with Hammer Camp to teach black print to kids. Hi, welcome to the class. Today we're going to do black print. We're going to also use mixed media. So we're going to work on creating a map. So it's going to be everybody can do your part, but also somehow we're going to put together. So if you think about where your concept idea come from, it's more come from your everyday life, something you know well, something what catch your attention. If you can start from there, how can you get inspiration from something you notice?
First, we will start by laying out our materials.
Watercolor paper, markers, color pencil, color markers, brushes, scotch foam board, pre-making black ink, scissor, roller, glue stick.
Begin by drawing your house or things you see in your neighborhood on small pieces of color paper.
You can draw something like your house or something. Maybe if you think, oh, my house can be a castle, you can draw a castle. You can.
I'm gonna draw a pop castle.
Sure. Okay.
Draw the roads connecting your home to the rest of your neighborhood. Cut out and glue the drawings on color paper onto your map. Draw another object for your neighborhood on white scratch foam paper.
If you look my sketchboard, everybody just work on one really slow, carefully, draw all the details and even with the pattern. Okay.
All done.
Squeeze the ink onto plastic glass or paper plate. Roll the brayer in the ink. Then roll it over the white foam paper.
Roller. Okay, and then so what we'll do is we'll try to make the ink on the roller very even. So you have to do this way a little bit and then roll like this again and again. And then until you see this pretty nice, smooth. And then here gonna be put this on the left. And then we're gonna start from here to roll over. That's gonna be my print.
Place the ink side of the foam paper down on the mat to ink print and then peel the foam paper off.
I'll be putting here.
Right here. Push hard. Can you use this one push? Yeah.
Yes.
Can you help me to open it up?
1, 2.
1, 2, 3. See, can you see the green? Without the green, it's gonna be so black and white. So the green helps.
Lastly, connect your map with your friends and family to create a community.
Evan, what is this about, Evan?
Flying person.
Yeah, Xixi, how about yours? What's going on in yours?
There are 2 igloos where penguins live, and then above it is a swimming pool party. And then there's a candy cane light.
Interesting. How about Juliana?
Well, there's a girl and her family. Her family went to get groceries and left her home, so she's waving goodbye.
There's many stores. How about this one?
Well, they were gonna pick up some groceries, and then they were coming back home.
And there's a lot of straight line.
Yes, because it's at the night and it's raining.
Okay. Oh, raining at night. Nice. How about Jasper?
They're sitting on the raindrops.
Oh, sitting on the raindrop. That's interesting. How about little thing here?
I don't know, a sad lonely person.
Okay. What is your neighborhood?
Mine, the robot is working
Okay.
and they're making greenhouse.
They're making greenhouse. So behind is a greenhouse.
Yeah, and then they have a slide
Where?
and there.
Here?
Yeah,
Or here?
yeah.
Okay.
And a car trying to go to play the slide.
And so that can be the big map, right? And then that's all for today.
Right?
We're done. Okay, we're done.